Look at this guy accepted a challenge to jump into 100 feet of water, but he had no idea a terrifying monster was rumored to live down there and never let anyone come back. He said goodbye to his friends, then tossed a swim tube into the water first, just in case he started drowning. He even threw a rock in to test the depth before finally taking the leap. But the second he hit the water, something happened that sent everyone watching running in fear. But before I show you, if you thought my little kitten was cute,
Yeah, don't just do.
and subscribe to the channel. Look at her. This
People say don't tell her already.
She thinks no one loves her. If you want to give her a little love, leave a red heart in the comments. Now watch closely. As soon as he jumps in, he sinks deeper and deeper until he suddenly hears the terrifying sound.